Combilift is very much safety focused. We have training for any heavy equipment such as overhead gantry cranes that we use. We have forklift training if you're required to drive a forklift. There is abrasive wheel training if you're using angle grinders or heavy tools like that. So safety is definitely a big necessity here.
Combilift design and manufacture forklift trucks for the material handling sector. The machines are designed with safety and efficiency in mind.
Part of my role here at Combilift is to order safety products that protect the facility. So here at Combilift we have massive heavy machinery, constantly moving around people and workforce. So investing in A-Safe means we have top quality protection for the workers around the machines.
My part in this is to design these electric side loaders you see behind me here. They're electrically driven and they're designed for lifting weights in warehouses up into 10 tonne. It's important to have them barriers around because it's minimising injury for all the workers, it's making a safer worker environment and it makes you more comfortable and competent in your working environment.
So as you can see, we have a new facility here in Combilift for the manufacture of our forklift trucks. When designing the facility, I was very much involved along with Sal Moffat in design of the facility, and it wasn't just based around production of the machines. We had safety of our employees at our utmost concern. We have 690 employees throughout the factory. At any one given time, we could have over 300 forklift trucks moving around the factory. One of the concepts we were looking at is how to protect the employees when they were walking throughout the facility. We investigated a lot of different types of safety barriers which are out on the market. We wanted something with good high standards. So it's important when selecting the safety barrier that you can trust the product that you're selecting. So with the A-Safe barriers, they have conformances to PAS 13 on Tough Nord. So this we knew would tick the boxes with regards to the product that we'll be selecting and using throughout the facility.
And I'm the steel source supervisor in Combilift. What we do is we get into steel and we distribute the steel between the 35 different welding bays that we have. Most of the standard weights that our trucks carry are in around the 2.5 tonne region. That goes up to maybe 10 tonne, 12 tonne. See, we have the A-Safe barriers around all our rackings, all our heavy machinery, and most importantly, we have them used for the walkways as well, you know, because we want our team members to come in the morning safe, we want them to leave home safe as well. So for us, that's the most important thing.
I feel A-Safe is top quality product, and for such heavy machinery here that we have in the facility, it does the job. When the A-Safe is hit, there's no need to replace any concrete due to the polymer bouncing back. And we're more than happy to invest a lot in A-Safe because it guarantees high protection for our employees here at the facility.
Well, the safety barriers are put in place to keep everything where it should be because there's a lot of heavy weights moving around. We don't want to cause a crush injury or anything. The barriers are a lot stronger than I would have expected because they're made of polymer, but then when you go and actually touch them and try to move them, they're very stable, and the bright colours make them very visible and easy to avoid, and they're good at carrying out their task because of this.
Another factor to consider was the return on investment of the product that we were selecting. So with the A-Safe product, we knew we had long life durability. Because of the standards it meets and the trust we have within A-Safe. If the A-Safe barrier gets an impact from a forklift truck, we know it will not bend or twist, it will reform back into its normal position. These things can happen within a working business. You can see how busy our business is here today.
You can trust with A-Safe's advanced polymers that they use in their products, that you can guarantee minimise maintenance budgets due to upkeep, and repairs after impacts is greatly reduced.
It's good to know that Combilift care enough to invest time and money in researching our safety and the best safety barriers out there, and what's most appropriate for the machines that we're moving and the jobs that we're doing.
As the business goes, safety will always be paramount within Combilift. We have to continue the relationship with A-Safe. We have bought more products with them, and you can see more safety barriers throughout the company. We believe in what A-Safe can do for our employees and believe what A-Safe can do for the company as well.